and welcome to How to Be a Cool Person if you're a nerd. So, do you want to be a cool person like Justin Bieber?
No.
Okay. Well, today we're going to show you step by step what to do and what not to do when you're a nerd. And you want to be like him, you know? Cute. Now, first step in not being a nerd is to know what to wear and what not to wear. So, see how this nerd is sitting right here? She has bad clothing, don't you think? And she needs to fix her glasses, but usually she does not use them. So she's gonna take them off and be cool. So on, the nerd in this nature does not want to be cool. Now see the face on this nerd. Don't she look prettier than wearing those glasses? These glasses made her look nerdy. Uh-oh. See, and once when you're when you're doing step by step, the first thing to do is try to be as cool as you can. So, litter. Do not do this. This is just a no action. You do not need a litter. So to be a nerd, you have to litter. So on. If you want to be a non-nerd, just sit at home, do nothing at all, sleep.
Pick it up.
Command other people to pick up their own stuff. Flip your hair like Justin Bieber. So on. And make a model pose for at least 5 seconds. Now, since you got all those steps, that is the first step into be not a nerd. Second step into be not a nerd, walk like a cool person. Not like a nerd, like this.
That hurt.
That's the cool person walk. Now let's show you the non-cool person part. See how you littered and stuff? Now this is the non-cool person walk.
No. Uh-oh. Someone littered. Bad people. There you go. Uh-oh. This is so good. Hi. My name is Dana. I know who you are. Really? Who am I, Dana? High five. Ow! Hi.
Now this is the nerd. Now if you want to be cool, do exactly the cool person walk.
Rawr.
That was the second step. The third step into being a cool person is to dance correctly. Alright. This is a cool person dance. Now, this is a nerdy dance. Nerds, don't not try this. Or cool people, please do not try this.
No. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly.
Go home, nerd.
Here's my feelings.
I don't care. Go home. Nerds usually crawl into their natural ball shape.
I want my mommy. I want my mommy.
Examples for being a nerd. Now, you know what to do at parties? You have to be a cool person. So, this is what you have to do, and if you're cool.
Go!
Nice dancing, dude!
Thank you. Go home!
Uh-oh. That is what a nerd should do. Fix it. See? That's a nerd right there. Now this is... Oh, wow. He jammed it in there. Look at it fall.
Ew.
You littered.
Pick it up.
I mean, pick it up. Well, those are the steps on how being a nerd. How not being a nerd. Now you follow these steps and you'll be like him.
Yo, Henry, shoot!